Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to another important video. Today I am telling you corrosion. What is corrosion? Slow decomposition of metal by reacting with oxygen and moisture of air to form undesirable compound oxide, hydroxide, carbonate is called corrosion. Again listen to me. Slow decomposition of metal by reacting with oxygen and moisture of air to form undesirable compound like oxide, hydroxide, carbonate is called corrosion. Example: rusting of iron, tarnishing of silver. So look here. Slow corrosion, slow decomposition, slow decomposition of metal by by reacting with oxygen and moisture of air to form undesirable compound like oxide, hydroxide, carbonate, oxide, hydroxide, carbonate is called corrosion. Slow decomposition of metal, slow decomposition of metal by reacting with oxygen and moisture of air to form undesirable compounds oxide, hydroxide, carbonate. It's called corrosion. Now example of corrosion is rusting of iron. Other example is tarnishing of silver. Second example is tarnishing of silver. Okay, now we are discussing what is rusting of iron. Definition is very easy. If you learn the definition of corrosion, then you can easily learn the definition of rusting of iron. Definition of corrosion is slow decomposition of metal by reacting with oxygen and moisture to form undesirable compound oxide, hydroxide, carbonate. It's called corrosion. But in case of rusting, you have to use the language in the place of metal, name of metal iron, because so we can say slow decomposition of iron. Look here, total definition same. Slow decomposition of iron. In the place of metal you have to tell iron. Slow decomposition of iron by reacting with oxygen and moisture of air to form rust is called rusting of iron. Other example of corrosion is tarnishing of silver. So rusting of iron, I am telling you again definition. Slow decomposition of, in the place of metal you have to use only rust. Use iron. Slow decomposition of iron by reacting with oxygen and moisture of air to form rust. It's called rusting of iron. So look here, what is rusting of iron? Slow decomposition, slow decomposition of iron by reacting with oxygen and moisture of air to form rust is called rusting of iron. So, rusting of iron last time, slow decomposition of iron by reacting with oxygen, slow decomposition of iron by reacting with oxygen and moisture of air to form rust is called rusting of iron. Reaction for rusting of iron is 4Fe plus 3O2 plus 2X2O. 4Fe plus 3O2 plus 2X2O. Arrow gives hydrated iron third oxide. 2Fe2O3X2O. Rust is called rusting of iron. Look here, reaction is reaction of rusting of iron. 4Fe. This is called iron plus 3O2. This is called oxygen plus 2X2O. This is called moisture. Look here, slow decomposition of iron. This is iron reacting with oxygen. This is oxygen and moisture of air. This is moisture of air. We can say this is water. Here X is the number of water molecules. After this we get hydrated iron third oxide 2Fe2O3 XH2O. This is hydrated iron third oxide. Other name is rust. Okay students, after this next point, how we can prevent corrosion, how we can prevent rusting. Corrosion can be prevented by number one, oiling. I'm telling you here methods to prevent corrosion, how we can prevent corrosion. So next point is prevention. We can prevent look here, corrosion can be prevented by oiling, by greasing, by painting, by alloying, by galvanization. You know very well from 8th standard what is galvanization. Coating of zinc on the surface of iron, on the surface of iron, it's called galvanization. Next point is mechanism of corrosion. This is the most important point in the whole topic corrosion. Mechanism of corrosion. What is the mechanism of corrosion? Mechanism of corrosion. Corrosion is an electrochemical process in which iron react as anode, impurities act as cathode, and moisture containing dissolved CO2 act as electrolyte. In this reaction, water and oxygen is very useful to take place corrosion. So water and oxygen involved in corrosion in case of rusting of iron. So look here, mechanism of corrosion. It is an electrochemical process. It is an electrochemical process in which iron acts as anode, impurities act as cathode. Impurities act as cathode, and moisture containing dissolved CO2 act as electrolyte. Moisture containing dissolved CO2 act as electrolyte. Means this is moisture, amount of water vapor, this is water, and dissolved CO2 means CO2, it contains CO2. Then we get hydrogen ion and carbonate ion. One oxygen attached here, it convert into hydrogen ion, carbonate ion. Hydrogen ion act as catalyst. Okay, so at anode, look here, iron act as anode. So iron act as anode. We get Fe2 plus charge plus 2 electron. 2 electron losses from iron. Plus 2 electron transfer become minus 2 electron transfer become plus 2 electron. So this is anode. At anode this reaction takes place. Loss of electron is called oxidation. So this is oxidation. At cathode. At cathode O2 plus 2H2O plus 4 hydrogen ion gives O2 plus 2H2O plus 4 hydrogen ion. O2 plus 2H2O plus 4 hydrogen ion gives. Here we take O2 plus 4 hydrogen ion. O2 plus 4 hydrogen ion plus 4 electron. It gives 2H2O. At cathode, gain of electron is called reduction. Now after this overall reaction, in the case of overall reaction, multiplied by 2, because number of electron in this reaction 4, so electron must be equal. 2 2 ja 4, 4 electron to 4 electron cancel. 2 2 ja 4 plus 4 electron transfer become minus 4 electron, minus 4 electron to plus 4 electron cancel. Multiplied this equation by 2. 2 Fe. After this 2 Fe2 plus Add these equation, plus O2 plus 4 hydrogen ion, 2 2 ja 4, 4 electron plus 4 electron become transfer become minus 4 electron. Minus 4 electron to plus 4 electron cancel. We get this reaction. After this 2H2O. So this is the overall reaction. After this, the whole mechanism of corrosion we can explain on the basis of structure also, figure also, or diagram also. So look here, diagram of corrosion. First we have to take iron. So this is iron. This is iron metal. What is this? This is iron metal. And here takes place oxidation. Oxidation means loss of electron. So this process is oxidation. I have just told you. And after this, this is the layer of water. Drops of water. Drops of water. Here flow of electron is also takes place. Flow of electrons. And drops of water, and here is a reaction takes place. The reaction takes place here is a 2O2, O2 plus 4 Hin plus 4 electron gives 2H2O. Gain of electron is called reduction. So this reaction is reduction. After this is rusting. This is the whole mechanism of rusting. Here rusting takes place. Again listen to me last time. This is the iron metal, and this is the iron metal, and here iron metal oxidation takes place, flow of electron also takes place, and after this here reduction takes place, because oxygen gain electron, oxygen hydrogen and gain electron. Gain of electron is called reduction. Loss of electron is called oxidation. And here is rusting takes place. And this is the drops of water. Corrosion takes place in presence of water and oxygen. Student, I hope that you can understand all the point of corrosion. So like this video, share it to your friends, subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, then write it in comment box. Okay students.